Can we pull over?
Not right now.
The windows are down on my Jeep.
I know that.
Tan, my windows are down.
I can't even see where to pull over, Ben. I'm sorry.
Oh no, we're gonna die and my Jeep's gonna be filled with water. This is the worst experience ever of trailer in a Jeep. This is my first time ever having my Jeep on a trailer, and it sucks. I'm stuck in a back seat.
No, I'm gonna pull over in a minute.
This guy won't let me vape or pee in a cup, and he would, you know, catching flat tires, leaving the house. My Jeep's getting soaked.
No, it's not. We're already through the rain.
No, yeah, it's already. These are the size. Like, look at these drops. They're huge.
Those aren't drops.
The Jeep's already soaked within a minute. It does look like we're coming to a nice sunny horizon. You win this time, Ted. You win this time. We're not going to be at Rausch Creek until about 10 o'clock. Tomorrow.
We'll be there in time to wheel.
This big old truck's only going 70 miles an hour.
So yeah, I'm only doing 75 towing 2 Jeeps.
My 3.8 could do better. I'm gonna include all this in the video. It's gonna be a 50-minute long video.
I don't care.
Actually, you know what? We're going for a full movie length, 2-hour movie. Grab your popcorn. We're getting started. Let's go to Rausch Creek. Hey, was I supposed to go ahead and tighten down the straps, or did you want to like let it settle before I tighten them down?
I thought you were tightening them down.
Huh?
It's your Jeep. I'm gonna.
Ah! It's tightened down. What's going on, guys? Ben from JK Gear Gadgets, and we are heading to Rausch Creek via
the Tow Pig.
The Tow Pig. How far are we? What, 5 minutes out?
Yeah, if that.
If that. 5 minutes out. Let's go see what happened. Is it 2?
Yes. 2 and the wheels.
Holy moly. Got 2 blown out tires and wheels. And there's like this blue stuff coming out of the tire. This is gonna be fun. We'll be back with 2 tires and 2 wheels.
I'm going to get barbecue.
We're going to get barbecue. Tires are good. No thanks to this guy. But this is what Jeepin's all about. So he's riding on his motorcycle back there, pulled over to make sure we're good. So you get a shout out.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Always.
Yeah, I changed the first tire.
No, you didn't. We didn't see it. All right, man.
All right, man.
Get out of here.
Safe.
It's been smoking, what, 22 hours now?
Oh man, now I know why Holly didn't leave me any.
How was it?
Well,
I thought this was gonna be a wheeling video, but I guess it's gonna be how to change trailer tires and eat barbecue sandwiches. Yeah, I'm down with that. Let's just stay here.
I didn't know this became a Toyota video.
This is what overlanders do. Yeah, we're going camping and wheeling. We gotta eat.
We're gonna park in the parking lot.
Thank you very much, sir. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, jeez. We're finally here. See you guys in the morning. Good morning. We are here at Rausch Creek, ready to wheel. We got a pretty good group. What are you talking?
Welcome to JK Gear and Gadget Summer Socks and Crocs Tour 2019. Check them out.
No, that's it. That's it. Everybody else left. Oh, those are boots. Get out of here. There we go. Crocs.
You can see the socks over there.
Have they changed your life?
Yes.
Got burned really
What's up, dude?
Super white.
What's up,
Yeah, there we go again.
Back in it.
I never shave for this. I always
never
forget.
shave?
I always you go all close up on me every
Like,
time.
just act natural. That's all you gotta do.
You can't do
this
that.
This is your
like
new
this.
thing. This
This
is your
is
new
my
thing.
new thing.
Yeah,
I gotta stop wheeling with you. That's
every
what
time
it is.
it's a close-up just to see how your nose hairs are doing. Let's go hit the trails. We've been on the trail for about 30 minutes now doing blues, some of the easier trails just to get everybody warmed up. There's a little black section here We're gonna hit it. Got the cameraman. He's gonna record some.
That's right.
Let's do it.
Rocks and Crocs.
Yeah, rocks and crocs. Wow, I like it. Yeah, we make it.
All right, we're doing 31.
We made it. So the two of us just peeled off to Affliction. So far the Jeep's been doing pretty good, but this is a red trail. I've never ran it before. So we're gonna walk it real quick, see someone, you know, find out the best lines, and then hopefully run it. That's nice. Yeah. This looks fun. All right, come through here. All right, we're gonna do it. Here we have a Jeep girl in her natural habitat. Getting pictures for Instagram?
Hell yeah, I gotta get them viewers up.
Well,
and I'll be like you.
What's your little monster JKU? What's your Instagram?
Oh shit, it's lilmonster_JKU.
There you go.
Easy enough.
You just got millions and millions of followers.
Yeah, everybody loves Ben, but can't share the love here.
Yep. Easy, easy.
There you go.
Winch, start turning. Hold up. There you go.
There you go. Come straight.
Keep winching.
Keep winching, yeah. All right.
Are you mad at me for making you do that?
No, but I've done the easy line before. The hard line was funner.
I feel like, I mean, we had to test out your new stuff, you know?
Yeah.
We had to.
It worked.
And I think that was a good test for
I
it.
think it was good work.
Ted, dude, I saw you dip down in that, and I was like, Ted. Your diff is just sunk. All right.
I felt the slide. Charles was like, hey, your phone, Charles.
You know,
Driver reverse.
Your phone, Charles. Yeah. Oh, this is sketchy.
you're fine.
Yeah.
You'll be good.
All right, which way?
Driver reverse. Okay, stop. Ooh. Passenger. There you go.
Full send?
No, not with us.
No, I know that.
You got it.
Oh, look at that metal cloak flex, bro. All right, start turning driver.
I'm gonna lock it on this.
Okay.
Can I stay there for a second? Hey, I've never teetered before. Today's like a day of a lot of firsts. I should have never upgraded.
Oh, stuffed. Nice.
We are gonna need
Whoa.
to your ruby rails though.
Yeah, I know.
You know you want to do this in your Jeep. Go do it.
No, I want to get back. It's not. It's gonna. It'll flex down.
Yeah.
It'll be fine.
His tire is the entire width of that gap.
Oh gosh, did you lick it? That was so close.
6 inches before that rear tire dropped in, and then you were.
Yeah, but I'm just saying when it's when the front went in and then that rear slid, it just felt so sketchy. Charles was like, whoa!
It was about to be like the most slow motion.
That's what it felt like. The most slow motion roller was like, whoa.
That is it for the day. We're gonna call it a day. Head back to the campsite. Probably get some firewood for a fire. I would love to go back and have a nice cold beer and have some fun. We'll probably be out tomorrow morning. Not sure who all's coming, but definitely a good day of wheeling. It's a couple broken things, but nothing beats a good fun day of wheeling. See you in the morning. Or no, see you after I have a few beers.
Double rainbow and R4
6.5 leprechaun.
Oh, we're back at camp. Just had a nice meal and it's been raining, but man, we have a beautiful double rainbow, bro. Wait, where'd it go?
To the left.
It's kind of
over top
it's
of the
forming.
brighter one.
It's forming. And the best thing about a double rainbow is that we actually have a real life leprechaun here.
Coming in at 6'4".
Where's
Leprechaun playing center field.
where's the pot of gold? Where is it?
Right there.
It's in the shitter.
Danny, tell us about that shirt you're wearing.
Yeah, what is that shirt? What?
It's core.
Hey, if you tell me about the club, I gotta get a shirt.
Good guy.
Feeling good.
Danny, I need you to spice this up a little bit.
Dude, he was just laughing so hard his face matches his shirt.
Yeah.
All right, tell us about what's your shirt.
It's 100% cotton.
Shut up. All right.
Core. We're a Virginia-based off-road club. Small SUV, truck, Jeeps.
How do I join? How do I get one of those shirts?
You have to meet certain requirements that are that will get you your stickers.
What are those requirements?
The requirements are one wheeling trip, overnight wheeling trip, and a regular event hosted by one leadership member. Once you meet those
So does this count? Because this is a wheeling event with a Jeep and you're here.
If you posted on our page.
He's not done talking yet.
Can we post this on your page?
Did you sign up for the event on our page?
We can if you host it right now.
It's already hosted on our page.
So yes.
How do I join the page if I'm not in the club?
You have to look up the page. And
This doesn't make
be
sense.
invited.
This makes no sense. How do we join? Danny!
You have to go to our Facebook page.
Look. You can't join unless you're in the club, and you can't join the club unless... And you can't join the club
Well, it's time to head home. We got Shane here. He came up here, he watches the videos, and I just want to check out his Jeep real quick because this thing is sick. You got the 5.7 Hemi Ultimate Dana 60s, 38s. This thing is beautiful. I only have 3% left on the GoPro, but as you guys can tell, we are heading home. I'll probably wrap up the video at home. So it was a good trip. But thanks, Ted, for letting us trailer it.
Yep, no problem.
Any words of wisdom?
Yeah, thanks Brian Love, Tim Burrows for the use of your trailer. God rest in peace there, Brian.